Hey guys, it's Khadijah and I am back with another video.
I think 56 nights crazy. I think 56 nights.
So this video is gonna be like a makeup routine. I'm gonna be showing y'all like my makeup. I'm not gonna say every day because I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do, I wear makeup often, but when I do, this is what I do. So I don't know if that makes sense. Anyways, but I'm gonna show y'all. I didn't do this intro over too many times, but I'm gonna show y'all my makeup routine. It's very basic. I don't really do much because I do this when I go to school sometimes, so I don't really do much. I got my vanity right here, as y'all can see, with my brushes and all my makeup set up and all that. So let's get into the video. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off with my base. My base for my makeup. Yo, I don't know if y'all ever seen anybody do this, but I find that it works so good. And I started doing this when I had dry skin, because when you put makeup on top of dry skin, it just peels off. If y'all know that, like your skin start peeling, your makeup look cakey, and no, it just don't look good. So I use Aquaphor for my base. If y'all watch my little skincare routine, y'all can see that I use this for my face, like during my skincare, and I literally just put it like all over my face. I use Aquaphor first as my base, and usually that's it. But if I really want to like feel like doing makeup and I really want it to stay long, I use this Power Grip primer. I forgot where I got it from. I want to get the e.l.f. one, but this one works good too. Alright, it don't matter, but I forgot where I got it from. But it makes your face real sticky, and it's more like a long-term type thing. Like if you're really trying to keep your makeup on, but don't rub this in. Just pat it on your skin. Don't rub it in. Just pat it. Okay. And yeah, and you gotta wait for it to dry before you start putting anything on top. Do not put it on your eyelids. That's one thing I learned. Your eyelids will just be sticky all day. I don't know why I don't dry on your eyelids, but just put it on your face, and then you're gonna let that dry. Let that dry, right? And then for my foundation, it's the Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. It's in the shade Toffee Caramel. It's 330, and it's a little darker than me. Like it matched. Like if I wanted to wear it, okay, it matched. But I'm trying to make it really match my skin tone and my neck. So I got this from my mom for Christmas, y'all. It's kind of dirty. Don't mind the top, but it's the Dim Show Professional Makeup Lasting Matte Foundation. Don't mind my nails. I need them done, but that's what it looked like. Hold on. Okay, yeah, there we go. This is just a lighter foundation. Yo, this one was going. Y'all could tell. I use this all the time. This is my #1 foundation. All right, I just put a little bit on my forehead. I don't use much because I don't like a lot of foundation. I don't like that cakey makeup look. If I'm looking over there, y'all, I'm looking in my mirror, so. Expert face brush. I don't know what brand it is. It's by Real Techniques. I just blend this in to my skin. As y'all can see, I don't use much foundation, but I don't feel the need to because I don't like that cakey look on my face. It's just, y'all can see on camera, but in person it definitely is a little dark. So I just take this and do like little dots. You really don't need much. Okay, that's a little too much. Just like very little. It might seem unnecessary, but it makes a big difference in the shade. It make a big difference. So we're gonna blend it in. All right. So once my foundation is blended in, I go in with my concealer. Let me show y'all. Oh yeah, this is another one that I've been looking around for. I found this at my beauty supply store. This is Pro Touch Full Cover Concealer. And before I was mixing this with it, clear complexion concealer. I don't know why I didn't throw it away. Everything that I think about it, it's empty, but it's by the brand Almay, something like that. Don't mind it. It's kind of dirty, y'all, but hold on. Y'all could see it. Y'all see it. Yeah, whatever. By the brand Almay. It's gone, y'all. All my makeup is gone. I need a restock. Like, this is barely nothing in there. But I use this under my eyes. On my chin, nose, and forehead. I don't really, like, I just slap it on there. And then sometimes I do it on my dark spots. I know that. On my face. Basically everywhere. Like, basically everywhere. And I just blend it in. I don't use beauty blenders. I feel like beauty blenders, like take the makeup off. I don't know. I'm sorry, my household is loud right now. But I don't usually use this, but I'm gonna use this today. This is the contour and highlight stick by Wet n Wild, as y'all can see. And I don't really use the highlight side. I just use the contour side. So I don't do lines because I feel like it's too much. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's definitely there. But I just do little dots. Right? Oh, y'all can see it on the side. I just do little dots, and sometimes I do it. I don't know, I be feeling like my forehead is a little lighter than the rest of my face for some odd reason, but see, that was a little too much. I don't like all that, but I use the same brush that I use for my concealer and literally just blend it in. After I do that, I'm gonna do my brows next, cause my brow tutorial is pretty plain and simple. Like, it's not much to it. Okay, so this is the eyebrow brush I use. It's by it's the RK eyebrow brush, and it's Spoolie by Kiss or whatever. It's just Top Brow by Kiss Professional, Kiss New York. All right, so the first thing I do, I brush my eyebrows out first. Sometimes I use edge control to hold them down, but I'm not going to this time because I'm not trying to keep this so long, just for a video. And I don't really do much in the beginning. I gotta look in the mirror for this, y'all. I be messing up sometimes. I just really go to the end, and I don't use much, just very little. Then I brush it out to kind of thin it out or whatever. But I basically just brush it out until it's how I like it, because the more you brush it out, the more blended in it is. So it'll come out looking way better. Alright, so after I did my eyebrows, y'all, I don't use concealer in my eyebrows or nothing because I don't really be feeling like I need it. I use this Hello Halo blush, whatever that is, and sometimes I mix it. I got this off of Temu. I don't even know where to. Okay, I think it was a brand name one here. I don't know, but this is it. It's just like, it's called fairy powder. That's really pretty, but it's a lot. Like, that's really if you're feeling highlight that day. So, but I use both because this one is more like a whitish. That one's more like a brown, bronze type color. So I just use a little bit. And my face already be glowy because I use Aquaphor under my makeup. So it's like, my face already be glowing. See, like, that's a little too much. So I don't really be needing it. Sometimes I do it in the corner of my eye, just a little bit. Because I don't like to where you can see it. I just like to where it look a little high. Then I use this. It's a little messy, so I gotta... Yeah, it's a little messy. Oh, hold on. I don't want this to spill. I'm gonna just use it off for here. Very little. Then I just put this in the same spots that I put the other ones at. Use Airspun loose face powder. Just put it on there. I don't really let anything sit, and I tap most of it off because I don't like all that on there. Because like I said, I don't use a lot. That is. Y'all, this like the best powder. It smells so good. I also use Fit Me powder. Y'all, I told y'all this is like my favorite brand. I use Fit Me powder sometimes, but it ran out, so I went back to Airspun. And they both kind of work the same. I wouldn't say one works more than the other. They both kind of work the same. And most of the time I wear lashes, but not today. I'm not gonna put on lashes today. So when I don't, I just curl my eyelashes. I don't know where my mascara is that I use. I'm gonna be so honest with y'all. I can't find it. But this is the same one. It's just a different color. I usually use the purple one, but this is the green one. Essence Lash Princess. Here we go. This is not the one I use. I use the purple one. This one don't really work good. It works good, but the purple one works the best. But I'm gonna just use this one. It's kind of dried out, so I don't really like this one, but we're gonna use it. Alright, so I just put my mascara on. I gotta hurry up because I don't got that much time left. But my lip combo, so I use this. It has no label on it, but this is a really good lip liner, and it stays for a long time. Like a long time. So well, first I use alcohol on my lips. Don't put a lip liner with chapped lips, y'all. It's just gonna rub off and look weird. So I put on Aquaphor first. Then I use my Too Faced plumping Too Faced plumping lip gloss. Here it is. It's called With the Fake by Essence. And I just do like that. I put a little bit of this because it turns out white. Alright, so once I put it on, I just take my finger to blend it. Just a little bit. You can't really see it, but it makes a difference. I don't know what this lip gloss is called. It's just a glittery lip gloss that I had since I was probably little. But I just put this on. It got glitter in it, so that's why I use it. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's shining. It got glitter in it. Then I don't know what this lip gloss is either, but it's just regular lip gloss. I just put this one on top of my lip liner. Setting spray. This is the Professional Makeup Matte Finish Prep Plus Prime Spray. They keep your makeup on all day. I just do. Oh. Just a few. Oh, just a few squirts. Not a lot. I don't feel like you need a lot. And that's about it. I mean, I don't really do much. Like, that's about it. My makeup tutorial is pretty simple, you know? Let me close this. There we go. My makeup tutorial is pretty simple, you know? I don't really do much. That's pretty much it. That's the end of the video. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.
Are you on your